name is Lalita Best. Welcome to my channel. So previous video we study about blood supply of heart, and the blood supply there it's supplied by two artery, that is coronary left coronary artery and right coronary artery. So previous video we study about right coronary artery, under that we study about positions of right coronary artery and courses and branches, and then lastly we study about area of distribution. So in this video we are going to study about left coronary artery. So left coronary artery will study, under that we study positions, courses, branches and area distribution. So this diagram is like previous diagram only. This we have to just name all this, like it's very easy to draw. This is anterior view of diagram. This diagram you can draw in external features of heart and as well as blood supply of heart. So we'll start today. Left coronary artery, how positions of left coronary artery, will draw with the red sketch. Positions of left coronary artery, it is arise from the left aortic sinus. This is aortic sinus, left side in posterior side, left posterior side of aortic sinus. So let's begin with diagram how left coronary artery look. This dot is means posterior side. First, left coronary artery is arise from the posterior side of left side, and then it goes to the posterior side, and then it reaches to the left. It reaches to the left auricle, is descending downwards. The left auricle is descending downwards. From left auricles it give one more branch here. I'll name it afterwards. It give one more branch here, and from left auricle it's circumflex. Like circumflex means semicircle. See, it's circumflex half, and then this circumflex artery. This is circumflex artery. This circumflex artery goes to posterior side. Dotted means posterior side. Then this descending artery come downward descending side. See, descending side. It's go back side, that is posterior side. See, again it went to posterior side. So from here, this is circumflex artery. Circumflex artery give one more branch. I'll name it afterwards. That is left marginal artery. If you know the branches of the right coronary artery, is automatically you will know the left branch of coronary artery. So I have already given the mnemonics of right coronary artery. You compare to that. So this is very easy. Left coronary artery branches is very easy. So it give so left circumflex artery, it give one more branches, that is left marginal artery. So left marginal artery, and then descending downwards it give left diagonal artery. They give so many left diagonal artery, and this is this groove. You know, last time we study about anterior interventricular groove here, right side. Same, it also has a left side, that is also called as a left interventricular artery. Left interventricular artery or groove. This is groove and this is artery. Red one is artery. This place is interventricular groove. Let's name the branches. So this is left coronary This is left coronary artery, and it reaches to the left auricle. It reaches to left auricle. It gives one branches, that is called as an left, because this is left side, right? If you have to write left conus artery. Conus artery. Okay, and then it's descending downwards, side downwards, and it's like circumference, like semicircle. This semicircle is called as an left. Left means left circumflex artery. This is called as a left circumflex artery. And then it's give left circumflex artery, it gives one more branch, that is called as a left marginal artery. This is left marginal artery. And then this descending downwards. This descending downwards is give so many branches. These branches are called as an diagonal artery. This branches is called as a diagonal artery. And then this branch, this groove is called as an anterior. This is because we are studying anterior side, right? Anterior view of this is anterior view of heart, and anterior view of blood supply of heart. And this groove is called as an anterior interventricular groove, and this artery is called as an anterior interventricular artery. Anterior interventricular artery, or LADA, LADA. The LADA means L means left anterior descending artery. Left anterior descending artery. And then this is go then backwards, the posterior side. This is a terminal artery of left coronary artery. This is a terminal branch of left coronary artery. So this is a position. This position is anterior and left side, that is posterior, left and posterior side of aortic sinus position. And then causes what we have talked about, like it goes here like this down, it gives branches. This is all causes. And branches, this whatever I have written in black, that is branches. And branches, all, if you know the right coronary artery branches, you know the automatically of left coronary artery branches. Then area supply, the area distributed, area supply, it supply the left side, of course, that is left coronary artery, it is supply the left side of the heart. So it supply the left auricle and the left ventricle of the heart and the left sides of the heart. And then so one more point, the left coronary artery is larger than the right coronary artery. Left coronary artery is larger than the right coronary artery. And then say previous video I have given this mnemonics. If you know this mnemonics, you should know that this left coronary artery. See, left coronary artery plus right coronary artery. See, now compare here. See, it's very easy. This is right coronary artery, this is left coronary artery. Blue one is right and the left one is red. So it's very easy. And then this left conus artery is anastomosis with the right conus artery. See, when we draw here like this, it will come here anastomosis here, this one. And when we go like this, and then when we draw here left coronary artery, circumflex artery is anastomosis with the terminal coronary artery, that is terminal branches. And then when we go descend downward side, and then terminal branches is anastomos with the terminal branches. So it's very easy. If you know the diagram, you will know the theory part also. Blood supply of the heart is done this class. So this is right coronary artery, this is left coronary artery, and then branches of right coronary artery. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe, and then if you know any easy way to learn the anatomy, please comment below. Thank you so much. Next class will study about venous drainage of heart. That is very important topic. Just stay tuned.